This is gonna be a 2-day vlog here in beautiful Uluwatu, Bali. Morning guys, just woke up. I'm gonna show you the place where we've been living in for the past couple days. Let me just give you a little room tour. So we have the king size bed right in the top. And then over here we just have a lounge chair and then the kind of getting ready area. And a pretty small but cozy closet area right here. And then moving on, we have our own private restroom. We got the mirror, got the sink. We got the toilet. And then over here we have an interesting kind of shower with like stone rock grounding right there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It was about $90 for 3 nights, so around $30 a night, which is pretty decent. Just because you have to, you know, go up these huge hills and it's extremely rocky and you can't really walk anywhere, you have to drive. And if you were to rent a motorbike and drive a motorbike, it would be very extreme just because of how bouncy the floors are, the ground is. Yeah, the location isn't the best, but I mean, the neighborhood here, it seems very beautiful. It's like all these different people or have their own accommodations, and then we're all just sharing the swimming pool. Yeah, it's really beautiful though. All right, gonna go ahead and start the day. We're gonna head to a restaurant and get some coffee, get some food, and do some co-working. And it's gonna be like a very beautiful restaurant, so we'll see you there. All right, looks like our driver is here. Hello. So this is what I meant about the floors here. As you can see, it's very hilly, very rocky. And riding a motorbike here is a little intimidating. And yeah, so just don't expect a lot of smooth pavement. It's very rocky, very bumpy. Wow, and a lot of these areas, you actually don't have any data either. You have absolutely no connection. All right, we have made it to this place called Alchemy. Yeah, so here we are. It's like an outdoorsy, wow, it's like a community center. Really cool. They also have this coffee shop here. It's called Arabica. It's an international brand. So this is pretty nice too. All right, guys, want to give you guys just a little quick tour. This was around 85,000. And actually this restaurant is fully vegan. I'm definitely not a vegetarian, but let's see how this tastes. This is jackfruit tuna. It doesn't taste like tuna at all. I mean, the texture is kind of similar, but definitely not the same. It's not bad though. It's quite good actually.
Very good. Looks like bacon, right? But this is coconut, dry coconut. Yeah. You should try some.
So this is actually coconut bacon. This is made out of 100% coconut.
That's actually really good.
All right, we just finished up with that place. Now we're just gonna kind of walk around, explore the neighborhood. We got a surfboard shop here. So here in Uluwatu, it's like the surfer neighborhood of Bali. We got a bunch of cafes, shops nearby. Traffic is a bit hectic here, so it's kind of hard to walk. Yeah, in Bali, there's not really sidewalks here, and the motorbikes are very kind of aggressive and a little crazy. Gonna stop by for some gelato. All right, gonna see if this place has any sea moss. All right, wow, this place is pretty big actually. All right, it looks like they actually have it. Wow. Got the sea moss right here. Wow, check out these prices. Eggs Benedict, 60K. Smoked ham and egg muffin, 45K. Wow, and we got some local food options too. Only 35K for grilled chicken and rice. That is insane. They even have dim sum. Wow, it looks so good. We got the dumplings, got the morning glory vegetables, got the chicken or the fish soup. I got the grilled chicken. Wow, unbelievable value. I think the total is like less than $8, less than $7 for all of this. Let's try the dumplings. It's so good.
I really like this one.
You guys definitely have to stop by Uluwatu. These prices are insane. You can eat Western food too and skip out on the gentrified restaurants, you know. Warungs are where it's at. So we are here to see the famous Kesak dance on top of the cliff, and they're gonna have like a fire show. And we're here in this like jungle, and there's like so many monkeys. And I am okay with monkeys. I do not want to interact with any of them. They're gonna steal this DJI. They're gonna steal all my money. Oh guys, just look at this view. We have 30 minutes until the show starts. And wow, Just imagine watching sunset here. This is unbelievable. This literally feels like the Wakanda. If you guys watched Wakanda 2, like that scene on the cliff, this feels like that. This is so beautiful. Wow. So beautiful, right? Yeah, you too. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this view. That's where this show's gonna be, but man, this is insane. Just look at those waves. Man, everything is so beautiful. And people like to say that Bali is like very overrated, but I think it's perfectly rated. I mean, where else in the world are you gonna see views like this? Especially for the cost of a lot of things here in Indonesia. I mean, this is unbelievable. So we have like 30 minutes to spare. So we're just gonna walk around, go up this kind of cliff area, see what else is over here. Oh, baby, be careful. Yo, that monkey's gonna steal his DJI. We are in their territory. So, all right, I wanna let these guys go first. Gotta have my senses up right now. These monkeys are too damn smart. There's another one right there. He thinks he can be sneaky, huh? Check out the view from up here. All right, guys, we are in line. Seems like there's some smoke here, and it is quickly getting darker. All right, guys, we are almost there. Okay, so we just pick any seat. So I guess we'll go over here. Wow, this is crazy. Let's try to get the best seats. First come, first serve. It is very dark. Good. Literally never seen anything like that before. That was pretty crazy. Wow, so that dance we watched is based on the story of Ramayana, which originates from Thailand. All right, now we're just gonna explore some of the nightlife and walk around, see what we find. Wow, the design, architecture is so beautiful. Look at this guy's, this is a taxi? It's a truck? It's a truck on a motorbike. I have never seen this before. A truck on a motorbike. Just a quick word from today's sponsor, Awesome. If you're a digital nomad or running a remote business, you'll know how much of a hassle it is in handling taxes, bookkeeping, and compliance across different countries. That's where Awesome comes in. Awesome helps entrepreneurs incorporate their businesses in business-friendly regions like Hong Kong and Singapore, making it easy to manage finances and paperwork all in one simple online platform. With AI-powered automation and expert accountants, Awesome provides real-time financial insights, automated invoicing, and effortless tax filing, so you can focus on growing your business from anywhere in the world. Over 15,000 entrepreneurs have already streamlined their business with Awesome. You can sign up today through the link in the description and enjoy 16% off your first service. Alright guys, we are here at Tropical Temptation Beach Club. Woo! Wow, it does not get better than this.
Do you want to test it first or just put it?
You can just do it all. Wow. Beautiful.
Madam?
Cheers. All right, we also got a little poke bowl to kind of get some healthy nutrients in. Man, it looks absolutely amazing. So this entire bottle, plus this table sitting area and the poke bowl, was around $75. It was about 1,200,000. So, I mean, it's kind of pricey, especially for Indonesia standards, but I mean, for this view, it's honestly very worth it. It is literally a Thursday afternoon. I'm here across the entire world here in Indonesia, and I'm just soaking in this view right here. And it's just such a contrast from the life I lived just a couple of years ago. I'm really not trying to be like arrogant or something, but like imagine working a job you hate and doing that for the rest of your life. So that's just my advice for anybody who wants to escape. Just figure out how to make a couple $1,000 online or remotely. And that is your ticket to escaping. If you're interested in getting a remote work job, then tap the link in my description to learn from me. Now, let's begin the meal. Wow, we got salmon, we got that mayonnaise, got the cabbage, avocado. That's the thing about living in Bali. It's so easy to eat healthy. And it's so encouraged. It's not expensive either.
It's good.
So good. Oh, does not get better than this. Water feels absolutely amazing and it's so clear. I can see the bottom. You guys gotta come to Bali, man. This is absolutely insane. There's just so much to do here. The nature, the visuals, everything is just so beautiful. It's so romantic too, especially if you come here with a partner. Everything looks like a backdrop. What is that? That's a jellyfish?
I think jellyfish.
Oh my gosh. What is this? Is that a jelly?
I can touch it?
No, don't touch it.
I want to touch it.
No, don't touch it. Or maybe it's just like a food.
What?
So that was my 2 days here in Uluwatu, Bali. I highly recommend visiting. Make sure to check out Awesome and my remote work mentorship down in the description and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video.